Your column labels are numeric rather than alphabetic. Instead of seeing A, B, and C at the top of your worksheet columns, you see 1, 2, 3, and so on. This behavior occurs when the R1C1 reference style checkbox is selected in the Options dialog box. To change this behavior, follow these steps. Open the File menu and select Options. Click the Formulas tab. Under Working with Formulas, click to clear the R1C1 reference style checkbox. Click OK. By default, Excel uses the A1 reference style, which refers to columns as letters, A through 4, for a total of 256 columns, and refers to rows as numbers, 1 through 65,536. These letters and numbers are called row and column headings. Excel can also use the R1C1 reference style, in which both the rows and the columns on the worksheet are numbered. The R1C1 reference style is useful if you want to compute row and column positions in macros.